Welcome to Best RV channel. Now I'm Mark from Best RV in Torlak. Forest River, they're building this brand new 2026 Surveyor 260 BHL with a 400-watt solar panel. As everybody know, all these travel trailers you've seen here, they come standard with a 200-watt solar panel. But this is the only time, and even the sticker said limited time only 400-watt solar panel. Now, let's talk about the floor plan 260 BHLE because it's a beautiful bunk fifth wall for a family with a full outdoor kitchens, complete. Let's go over it. First, on the brand new 2026, they add the bigger window in the front. They add the really nice LED light in the front that said Forest River, which is really right up this way. Electric tongue jack in the front, 2 propane with a cover. Nice molding with a diamond plate on the front for rocks. And coming down here, we have aluminum frame constructions and pass-through storage. And then here's, it's very hard to show you, but I'm gonna try to show you. It's lit up. It's in the dark, you could see it's lit up. LED light, beautiful in the night. And then you have a nice power awning. Now on the 260 BHLE, look how big the awning. I don't have to say anything, just look at it. It covers whole entire chair, which is good. It gives you more shade outside when you go camping, and it gives you an opportunity to socialize more outside. It gives you a TV hookup, where you could put a TV hookup right here. The hookup comes with it, so it's a prep. You could put a TV right there. And again, this is the limited time only. Please show the cameraman, limited time only, 400-watt solar panel. Asdel fiberglass, aluminum frame, nicer rims. It come with 18-inch gas grilled barbecue outside with a beautiful counter space and a sink. And here's your outside shower, hot and cold. So you could rinse your hand, and then this one, you take this water and you throw it outside. So this is come with outside shower, hot and cold. This side with a sink. So this is considered a sink, 18-inch grill, and beer fridge or soda fridge, whatever you want to call it. And then a nice shelving here with 110. So if you're mixing margaritas and so on, you could do that right here. That's the really nice things they did for the brand new 2026. What they in the back, they add what's called pack and play door. Again, if you have canoe, voila. If you have more toys, and again, this bunk you could see is on a shock. So you could see whole storage from this by the cameraman. And then over here, so you have the class 2 hitch. So for bike rack, trays, come with a spare tire and a cover, backup camera prep, ladder prep, 30 amp cord come with it, cable hookup, sunlight hookup, black tank flush. And I like this light. You could see what's going on outside. And then coming over here, we have an endless hot water heater, as you see. And then another pass-through storage, city water connection. Let's go inside because I can't wait. I'm really anxious to see the inside of this unit. But before I want to show you, it comes with the Road Tech, which is this. People ask me a question, what's this gizmo? Well, it comes with the road monitoring, so you could see the pressures and the heat of the tires. So when you're driving, you could have full control on the tires. Battery disconnect switch if you want to park next to your house and kill the power. But let's go inside. I'm anxious to see all the new 260BH LE and all the new changes they did. First thing, I'm gonna start with this counter space. So you have a beautiful 2-bar stool here you could use for the dining, seating. So I could sit 2 kids here eating and serve them spaghetti in this or pizza. And then you have another dining right there. So you seat 4 plus 2. So really, I'm sitting 6 people on a tables, eating, watching movies, whatever they want to do. That's another thing. Another advantage of this 260BH is the counter space. How many times you walk in a bunk model and their kitchen just only this level? But look what I gain here. I gain a pantry or storage, whatever you want to call it. And I gain more counter space, prep area on the right, prep area on the left. My appliances, espresso, toaster, coffee machine, there's plug there, as well plug here. Nice deep country sink. This is backsplash or cutting board. Beautiful rise waterfall or straight, whatever I want. Can opener, tinsel doors. This is the sweeper. You bring your dirt and you suck them in their central back. And closets for your tinsel, silverware on the top. Cooking pan right here. As well, use this as a closet or pantries. Again, whatever you like. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in these doors. But nobody noticed is this floor plan is easy because I could sit here and I could watch the TV without swinging the TV. And by the way, the TV is in a swing arm, but I'm sitting watching the TV. 2 people here, storage underneath the dinette. That's a big deal. Nice tables, and then you have a beautiful 10.8 cubic foot refrigerators. And this is the road trick. The piece on the front will work with this Bluetooth, and it give you all the PSI and the temperature in your tires. So you're watching your tires while you're camping, driving. Then going over here, so you have a beautiful bunk bed. And what I like about the bunk, it's on a shock. I could store things here. Okay. And as I said, upper bunk, lower bunk, they give you the ladder, and even they put you here. That's how you can get in. Very nice. Hanger, that's a good sign. Nice bucket doors. And then you have full queen bed, storage, LED lights, shocks, doors. Good, they're solid, I like it. And then you have a TV location here. And then you have closet both sides as well on the top. Place for CPAP machines, shelf, and window in the front with a solid pocket door. Amazing. Here's your solar panel controllers and the Bluetooth speakers. Central air conditions, that's a big deal. Central heat. And then you come to this beautiful bathroom with a nice mirrors and LED light, like this new shelf, toothbrush, towels rack, sink, as well porcelain toilet, room for your area, skylight with a shower head and all of that, porcelain toilet. And then the cameraman, I want you to point them for this switch. This unit has heated holding tanks, so it has a heat blankets on each tank so they don't freeze up. So when you turn these switches on, voila, now my tanks start getting warm, especially for people from Utah, Colorado, they need that stuff, and this unit come with it. So folks, come see the Surveyor 260 BHL, the one we have on special, and the one with the limited time only 400 watt solar included in the price. Coming in.